Children see page number 70. Anemia common in Delhi school. 17 November 2007. Thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation schools in Delhi suffer from anemia. This is affecting both their physical as well as mental health. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. Now, health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. Anemic children are also being given iron tablets. This is a report of Aarti. She is suffering from anemia. Normal report of hemoglobin is 12 gram to 16 gram DL. But Aarti's report says that 8 gram DL. This report is of June 20. Then she again goes for blood test. Second report is of September 15. Then her HB increased. Now it was 10.5 gram DL. Anemia occurs when the number of red blood cells circulating in the blood are not enough. What should we do when we are suffering from anemia? We should eat lots of green leafy vegetables like spinach, methi, etc. Eat jaggery, which is very rich in iron. We should take iron tablets as per given by doctor. Here in the pic you can see iron rich foods: spinach, fig, nuts, soybean, lentils, dark chocolate, tofu, white beans. These foods are rich in iron. Iron is a mineral that is vital for human survival. It is an essential component of hemoglobin. What does this poster says? Many times you have seen these types of posters. These posters helps to aware the people about malaria. Beware. Beware means savdhan. Be careful. Don't let water collect around your house. Fill up the pits. Keep the water pots, coolers and tanks clean. They should be dried every week. Use mosquito nets to protect yourself. Spray kerosene if water has collected at some place. Here we have to be careful from mosquito because they spread malaria, dengue, chikungunya. Rajat, the poster says something about larvae. What are those? Nancy, they are baby mosquitoes, but they don't look like mosquitoes at all. Larvae are eggs of mosquitoes. They are found in water. Larva comes out from eggs of mosquito. Here I will show you the life cycle of mosquito. This is a life cycle of mosquito. In stagnant water, mosquitoes gives their eggs. Larva comes out from eggs. They start growing. Larvae converts into pupa. Pupa becomes an adult mosquito. This is how mosquitoes breed. Children see page number 72. Aarti, where did you see them? Nancy says, there was an old pot lying behind our house. It was full of water for some days. When I looked there, I saw some tiny thread-like grey things swimming. Here you can see in the glass. I was surprised when mummy told me that these had come out of the eggs which mosquitoes lay in water. They are called larvae. I also heard something about this on the radio. Rajat, what did you do? Nancy. Papa immediately threw away the water. He cleaned and dried the pot and kept it upside down so that no water would collect. Upside down means उल्टा करके रखना. Jaskirat, Shazia auntie told me that even flies spread diseases, especially stomach problems. Rajat, but flies don't bite. Then how do they spread diseases? Which diseases are spread by flies and how? Flies sit on the things and germs stick to their hair and legs. When they sit on our food or utensils, they transfer the germs into our food, which makes us ill. Houseflies spread diseases like diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, etc. Classwork time. Children, open your notebooks, write down date, classwork, lesson number 8. Name of the lesson is A Treat for Mosquitoes. Question number 1. What do you do in your house to protect yourself from mosquitoes? Number 1. We keep our surroundings clean. Surroundings means nearby area. Question number 2. We wear full sleeve clothes. We use mosquito repellents, for example, mosquito coil, Odomus. Number 4. We use mosquito nets. Number 5. We spray DDT on collected water. Children, write beautifully in your notebooks. Question number 2. In which season is malaria more common? Why do you think this happens? Answer. Malaria is more common during rainy season. This happens because mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and damp places. Damp places means सीलन वाली जगहों पर. Question number 3. What happens when oil is spread on stagnant or collected water? Number 1. Oil floats on water surface. Number 2. It prevents supply of oxygen to eggs, so mosquitoes does not breed. Question number 4. Which diseases are spread by flies and how? Typhoid fever, cholera and diarrhea diseases are spread by flies. When a fly sits on dirty things, harmful germs stick to its legs. Number 2. And if the same fly sits on uncovered food, it leaves the germs there. Number 3. When we eat dead food, germs enter into our body and it causes the disease. Homework time. Question number 1. Write any 4 diseases that can be caused by mosquito bites. Question number 2. What are the problems caused by anemia? You have to write any 4 problems. Question number 3. Name some food items which contains iron. You may write 4 or 5. Here we finish lesson 8 part 1. In next video we will read lesson 8 part 2. See you soon. God bless you. Stay home, save lives.